An optical wireless mouse can make it much easier and more effective to use your laptop and desktop computer. Because a mouse moves smoothly, it makes navigating through your computer fast, which can mean higher productivity. And because the mouse is 2.4 GHz, it provides a powerful, reliable connection. The soft grip top and contoured sides make it comfortable to use. The scroll wheel makes it faster to use and provides precise tracking to navigate through your work. When your battery is low, you'll see a blinking red light on the top of the mouse, so you'll know it's time to change the battery. Nano wireless receivers are designed to be left in the laptop's port. They're so small that they can rest almost flush with the side of your laptop. This allows you to pack your laptop in its case without worrying about the receiver damaging the USB port. This works with Windows 2000, XP, Vista, 7, and 8. From the moment the package hits your doorstep, it's easy to set up and use. That starts with unpacking. You won't have to struggle with that hard plastic packaging at all. Setting up the mouse is easy. First, remove the battery cover on the bottom of the mouse. Then remove the nano-receiver stored between the two batteries. Next, insert two batteries over the plastic tab. This tab will help you remove the batteries when you need to replace them. Replace the battery cover. Insert the nano-receiver into a USB port on your computer. On the bottom of the mouse, switch the button to on. When the optical sensor lights, the computer detects the mouse and the mouse is ready to use. When you're not using the mouse, turn it off and store the nano-receiver inside the battery compartment.
Easy installation. Refer to user manual for instructions. I love this product. It is so easy to move with you, and I love that the input for the computer goes right into the mouse for transportation. It makes it easier to keep track of and not lose. I can easily use this mouse between my laptop and then at my desktop. Smooth, precise and affordable wireless optical 3-button mouse with USB nano receiver for laptop, desktop and netbook PCs. 2.4 GHz wireless, not Bluetooth, provides a powerful, reliable connection. I would highly recommend this product. I imagine you could use it for gaming too, but the gaming ones I have seen are much fancier, so I don't really know. It seems like a well-made, small and simple, but great product. Not sure how long the battery life is, but it's at least 2 to 3 months of multi-hour use per day. I turn it off when not using. To buy this mouse, clicks on the down link present in description. I've had my mouse for at least 2 years, and it's still working great in terms of clicking, scrolling, and responding. The top portion has a matte texture and the rest is plastic. The only con I can think of is the size. I have small hands and it's like the perfect size ergonomically speaking, but my boyfriend has medium, large hands and he makes fun of it. The price is good, its sensor responsiveness is good, and I have never had an issue with this mouse, so I would definitely recommend it. If you want to buy this product, clicks on the down link present in description. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.